A Himalayan dream. The call of Annapurna Base Camp. This is not just a trek, it's an experience that calls out to the adventurer in you, beckoning you to explore the majestic beauty of the Himalayas. The Annapurna Base Camp trek is legendary. Known for its stunning landscapes and challenging paths, it has become a rite of passage for trekkers around the globe. It's a journey into the heart of the Himalayas. As you trek, each step brings you closer to the awe-inspiring peaks that have captivated explorers for centuries. Trekkers from all over the world come for this adventure. They come seeking not just the physical challenge, but also the camaraderie that forms among those who share this incredible journey. They seek the stunning beauty and challenge of the mountains. The path is demanding, but every effort is rewarded with views that are nothing short of spectacular. Imagine walking through lush forests. The trail takes you through diverse landscapes, from dense rhododendron forests to alpine meadows. Then, picture yourself climbing to high altitudes. The air gets thinner, the temperature drops, but your spirit soars as you ascend higher and higher. You are surrounded by towering peaks. These snow-capped giants stand as silent sentinels, watching over your journey. The air is thin, but the views are breathtaking. Every glance around reveals a new facet of the Himalayas' grandeur, making the effort worthwhile. This is the allure of Annapurna. It's a place where nature's beauty and the thrill of adventure come together in perfect harmony. This trek is more than just a physical challenge. It's a test of endurance, resilience, and determination. It's a journey of self-discovery. As you push your limits, you learn more about yourself and what you are capable of. It's a chance to connect with nature. The pristine environment offers a rare opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with the natural world. And it's an opportunity to experience the warmth of the Nepalese people. Their hospitality and kindness add a unique and enriching dimension to the trek. So, are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Prepare yourself for an unforgettable experience that will leave you with memories to cherish forever. Let's explore what awaits you on the unforgettable journey to Annapurna Base Camp. From the first step to the final ascent, every moment is a story waiting to be told.
Unveiling Annapurna stages of a sacred journey. The trek to Annapurna Base Camp is a multi-day adventure filled with awe-inspiring moments and unforgettable experiences. It takes you through diverse landscapes, each more beautiful than the last, showcasing the natural splendor of Nepal. Each day brings new challenges and rewards, testing your endurance and spirit, but also offering moments of pure joy and serenity. The trek usually begins in Annapurna, a small town that serves as the gateway to this incredible journey. This is a short drive from Pokhara, a city known for its beautiful lakes and vibrant culture. From there, you'll hike through rhododendron forests and charming villages, where you can experience the local culture and hospitality. As you ascend, the scenery changes dramatically. You'll pass by cascading waterfalls and cross suspension bridges that sway gently in the wind. You'll feel the thrill of walking along steep mountain ridges with the vast expanse of the Himalayas stretching out before you. Finally, you'll reach Annapurna Base Camp, a place of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. It is a breathtaking amphitheater of snow-capped peaks, where the majesty of nature is on full display. The sense of accomplishment is immense as you stand amidst the towering peaks, knowing you have completed a journey of a lifetime. As night falls, trekkers gather around campfires, sharing stories and forging bonds that will last a lifetime. The next morning, the sunrise over the Annapurna peaks is a sight to behold, painting the sky in hues of pink and gold. With hearts full and spirits high, you begin your descent, carrying with you memories that will forever be etched in your mind. As you wave goodbye to the mountains, you realize that this sacred journey has changed you in ways you never imagined. Gearing up. Preparation for the Himalayas. Trekking in the Himalayas requires careful preparation. You need the right gear to stay safe and comfortable. Start with sturdy hiking boots. Break them in well before your trek. Layered clothing is essential for changing weather conditions. A good backpack is crucial. It's important to pack light but bring essentials. These include a water bottle, snacks, sunscreen and a first aid kit. Don't underestimate the altitude. Pack medication for altitude sickness. It's vital to acclimatize properly during the trek. Annapurna's Majesty Facts and Figures. The Annapurna region is a trekker's paradise, attracting adventurers from all corners of the globe. With its breathtaking scenery and challenging trails, it offers an unparalleled experience for those seeking both beauty and adventure. It boasts some of the world's highest mountains, each peak standing as a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. These towering giants have been the subject of countless stories and legends. Annapurna 1 is the 10th highest peak on Earth, a formidable challenge for even the most experienced climbers. Its summit, often shrouded in clouds, stands as a beacon for those daring enough to reach its heights. It stands at a staggering 8,091 meters, or 26,545 feet. This immense height makes it one of the most sought-after peaks for mountaineers worldwide. The Annapurna Conservation Area is a biodiversity hotspot, teeming with life. This protected area is a sanctuary for a wide variety of flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and researchers alike. It's home to rare and endangered species, each playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. Conservation efforts here are vital to preserving these unique creatures for future generations. Look out for snow leopards, musk deer and Himalayan tahr. These elusive animals are a rare sight, but spotting one is a truly unforgettable experience. The region is also rich in geological wonders, with unique rock formations that tell the story of the Earth's ancient past. These natural sculptures have been shaped over millennia by the forces of nature. The landscapes are shaped by ancient glaciers, which have carved out deep valleys and rugged terrain. These glaciers are a reminder of the Earth's ever-changing climate and the power of natural forces. You'll see towering rock formations and deep river gorges, each adding to the dramatic and awe-inspiring scenery. These natural features make the Annapurna region a truly unique and unforgettable destination for trekkers and nature lovers alike. Section 5. Cultural Tapestry Encounters on the Trail. The Annapurna region is home to diverse ethnic groups. You'll encounter the Gurung and Magar people. They are known for their hospitality and unique traditions. Take time to interact with locals, learn about their way of life. You'll gain insights into their culture and customs. Visit local tea houses along the trail. These offer basic accommodation and meals. They're great places to rest and meet fellow trekkers. Section 6. Trails of Triumph. Stories from the heart of Annapurna. Every year, thousands of trekkers attempt the Annapurna Base Camp trek. Each journey is unique, filled with personal challenges and triumphs. Some trekkers share stories of pushing their physical limits. They describe the exhilaration of reaching the summit. Others talk about the profound sense of peace they found in the mountains. There are also tales of camaraderie. Trekkers often form strong bonds with their guides and fellow adventurers. These connections can last a lifetime. Section 7. Echoes of Annapurna. A transformative journey. The Annapurna Base Camp trek is more than just a hike. It's a journey that stays with you long after you've returned home. The physical challenge is undeniable, but it's the mental and emotional impact that is truly profound. The experience can change your perspective on life. You'll return with a newfound appreciation for nature. You'll carry the memories of stunning landscapes and serene moments. Section 8. Essential tips for Annapurna Base Camp trekkers. Here are some practical tips for your Annapurna adventure. Train before you go. Build your fitness level. Hiking experience is beneficial. Hire a guide. Guides provide local knowledge and support. Pack smart. Choose lightweight, durable gear. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and stay ahead of altitude sickness. Respect the environment. Follow leave no trace principles. Section 9. Respecting the mountain's responsible trekking practices. The Annapurna region is a fragile environment. It's important to trek responsibly, dispose of waste properly, carry out everything you bring in, use designated toilets at tea houses and campsites, stay on marked trails, avoid shortcuts to minimize erosion, respect wildlife and keep a safe distance, support local communities, choose local guides and services, purchase goods from local shops. Section 10, the Final Ascent. Until we meet again, Annapurna. Standing at Annapurna Base Camp is an unforgettable experience. The towering peaks inspire awe and humility. The journey to get there is challenging but rewarding. You'll push your limits, connect with nature, and create lasting memories. The Annapurna region will always hold a special place in your heart. It's a place of immense beauty and profound peace. So answer the call of the mountains. Embark on your own Annapurna adventure.